Hello, IK here. Welcome to React AI e-commerce full course from beginner to advanced. Lesson 3, get API keys, Stripe, Google, and OpenAI. In Visual Studio Code, open the following directory. Create a new file named .env. Then copy your API keys into the file as shown below. Next, open the following file, copy your public Stripe key into the code. Tip: if you don't know how to get these keys, just ask AI for help. Know that Google API key and Gemini API key can be the same key. End of lesson 3. If you know someone who could benefit from this course, share this video with them. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, like, comment, and ask questions. Your support helps others learn too. Thank you for watching.